Hi friends. Welcome to Trust Purchasing. DTOF technology is the first aerospace detection technology in the industry to accurately measure the distance to your wall or furniture destination. The trash inside the dust box is automatically drained. Disposable mop pads and auto collector disposable dust bags reduce the need for frequent replacement. 2300 pascals suction power and Osmo mop system allows suction and water cleaning at the same time. KeySmart Pro, the most advanced compact key organizer ever. You can attach large keys, car keys, key fobs and other loop pieces that do not fit inside the KeySmart Pro. Eliminates the jingling feeling of a key bundle. The KeySmart Pro stores 10 keys compactly and easily stores in your pocket or bag. Easily find lost keys anywhere. Use the free Tile app to find lost keys on the map. With a single touch of a smartphone, the KeySmart Pro will make sound. You can find your smartphone more easily using KeySmart Pro. Press the button, lets your smartphone ring even when it is set to silent mode also. The built-in LED light is useful when your hands are dark. It also helps prevent damage to the keyhole in the dark. You can use the light at any time for peace of mind. Click the LED button twice and the light will light up for 10 seconds. It also includes a bottle opener that is smaller and thinner than a regular house key. No hardware installation required, anyone can install it with ease. Touch and go, app operation. When you pull the curtain lightly with your hand, it senses the movement and automatically opens or closes the curtain in the direction you want it to move. This product is compatible with U-rails, I-rails, and rods. Attach the optional solar panel to charge with sunlight. Use up to 8 months on a full charge. You can also operate it and check the opening and closing from the app anytime, anywhere. Connect with the Hub series to control from any distance. It can also be operated with a special remote button. A built-in light sensor detects sunlight and opens or closes automatically. Its noise won't bother you, and you'll wake up refreshed. Helps regulate your sleep's rhythm to promote a healthy lifestyle. Of course, you can also set the timer. More comfortable life. The main device is hidden behind the curtain, so it will blend in well with your home decor. With just the movement of your hand, the lid will automatically open and hygienic. Includes one absorbed natural activated carbon odor, filter absorbs and neutralizes waste odors for a clean scent. Stainless steel resists fingerprints and is easy to clean. Suitable for kitchen and office decor. Automatically opens the lid with just the movement of your hand. Stainless steel can body, fingerprint and stain resistant finish. Shape in many places. Powered by 4 AA batteries. iTouchless has taken time to make everyday items smarter and easier to use and more attractive. It creates a healing aura effect in all types of rooms and creates a sensory experience, environment that promotes relaxation. A simple button control system makes it easy to switch between actions such as various light effects, brightness adjustment, and start or stop rotation. A convenient stand for the drying of washed plastic bottles, milk cartons, cans and more. It can also be used as a glass stand. Steel cap and silicone resin used as a materials. If you want, you can use it as a trash when you are cooking. Simply peel off the 3 m sticker on the back of the tape light and stick it to the place you want to install. Controlled by app, controller, 24-key IR remote control. The tape length is 5 meters, can be cut to suit your personal needs. It can be applied to large areas such as bedrooms and living rooms to small areas such as the back of a desk or TV. When you go to the toilet in the middle of the night, the motion sensor installed under the bed detects human movements, and the tape light will automatically light up to 20% slowly. It suddenly glares on and won't disturb your sleep. Directly connect to Wi-Fi, you can use your smartphone from the go. You can also set schedules from the app to turn on the LED strip light at a certain time every day. Choose music mode in the SwitchBot app, and change the light according to the music you play. You can also choose from a variety of scenes using the app. You can freely dim and color according to your life. Customize your favorite color to any combination. Make your room more stylish with indirect lighting. Thank you for watching. Check the link. Subscribe, share, like and comment below.